Hi, I'm Kaylin. This is Biscuit and this is Poppy Seed, and we used to live in a van. But on March 5th of 2022, my van crashed and rolled over. Everything in the van was destroyed. The van was destroyed. I thought that like my life was over. That was my home, but the van life community showed me how much they loved and supported me by starting some GoFundMes. I don't know what I did to become the recipient of this kind of outpouring of goodness and kindness, but I don't intend to waste it. I have decided to start this YouTube channel to document the next phase, the rebuilding of my life. Like, look at this. I bought a school bus. Ready to get started?
Yep.
Onward and upward, baby! This is my college roommate, Lily, who came to visit me this week, and she's been helping me so much.
This one you probably have to soak so I can get on all those.
Okay.
Go look at the kitchen. Cup of ambition. Hi.
They're helping me clean up a lot of the stuff that got ruined in the wreck. Dealing with my belongings after the wreck was really hard for me emotionally. I was just struggling to face it. So my friends arrived with Lysol wipes and paper towels to start cleaning the cat litter and coffee grounds and gravel off of all of my stuff, starting with the dishes. I was just like so overwhelmed looking at them. I just couldn't handle it. Hello, another day to work on the bus. This is my college roommate Lily, who is scraping decals. And I will be using Goo Gone to get all this residue off so that we can sand and paint the bus. Alright, so the deal with these decals is that you have to get off like the plastic outer layer first, and then behind that is like a sticky white sticker layer, and then behind that is just a bunch of really stubborn glue. So it's really like you have to go around and scrape the entire bus 3 separate times. We've gone through almost a whole bottle of Goo Gone in under 36 hours, probably 48 hours.
So close. Woo! That was probably the hardest sticker on this whole bus to remove, and we just finished it.
What's on the bottom of your shoes?
A school bus!
I need to take the side panels down.
So what did you do?
So I tried to start working on the electrical.
Yeah.
So I opened the electrical cabinet. And the electrical cabinet stresses me out. It's a bit more than we were anticipating. Fuck. I successfully found and disconnected the 2 wires in here that were in the way of us taking down these panels, and we're gonna try to just leave alone as much as we can for now. Lily, what you doing?
Unscrewing.
Lily is removing this cushion plate thing, I don't know, but woo!
Behind this panel and pull a little.
No. I don't want to. happening? Is it welded to the part?
Yeah, it is. Every panel on the inside of the bus is welded.
Yep. I've talked to all my other school bus friends, and they said their buses were not welded. So I don't know how I got so lucky. Some of the welded sections are pretty loose, so we were able to just go at them with a crowbar. It was tedious, but we made it happen. That feels good.
Yeah.
But of course the bus was not done throwing us curveballs for the week, and we found some more issues as we started working on the floors. We are not gutting the floor! The goal was to take up this rubber mat on the floor so that we could see if the plywood was in good enough shape to save it. All right, Lily, what's going on with the floor?
So, this is insane. So we're gonna put flooring over this.
The only way to take off the rubber flooring is to destroy the plywood because the glue is so strong that we can't take up the rubber flooring without also taking up a layer of the plywood. It's looking like our best option is gonna be skipping insulating the floor and just going ahead and putting my flooring over top of the existing rubber and plywood. No insulation in the floor, but with the cost of plywood prices right now, the labor that this is going to take, and then we would have to replace the plywood, is not going to be worth it. And we can't just take up the plywood and the rubber together because the plywood is screwed into the metal flooring, but those screws are all under the rubber. So our only options are to leave all of it or to spend probably a week removing all of it. And I don't have a week. And I don't have money to replace the plywood. And I know that some diehard schoolie people are going to come at me for not fully gutting, but I don't care. Okay, thanks. All of Bus Life YouTube says that you want to get a bus that is screwed together instead of riveted together because the rivets suck. My bus is welded together!
And glued, and screwed,
and riveted,
and rubber cemented.
Help me!
So today we're working on the exterior.
Because we don't feel like dealing with it. What's up?
Just peeling this school bus sticker off. We're attempting to.
Cool, cool, cool. Stick your butt out so it looks good. There you go. Hello.
Hey! Peeling the sticker.
Woo-hoo! It's the final decal. Ba-na-na-na. Ba-na-na-na-na. Come on, little guy. Come on. There's a storm coming. Right, Lily?
Yep.
So we gotta paint over all of the exposed metal that chipped off while we were removing decals.
World's most beautiful paint job.
I like it. I think I might leave it like this. It's just like all over your forehead. Onward and upward, baby!
Oh, that was fun.